It's Cindy and Jan on the back roads. We're at PAK'S Backyard Cafe and Beer Garden, one of our favorite places in Port Austin, Michigan. The name PAK'S actually stands for Port Austin Kayak, which is located in the same building right next door to the restaurant and beer garden. We love this unique piece of art, which was done by the owner's father. Very, very creative. He also did the fish wall. We like that too. In fact, we like it a lot. And this is some of his dad's artwork. And so is this one. And that's his dad's artwork too. We think that's great. Very fun place to be, great food, great vibe. Come and explore it. You'll really enjoy the food and the atmosphere. Backyard is great. Has live entertainment under that gazebo. Cornhole, outside games. As we said, you'll really enjoy the atmosphere. It's fun family time for family and friends. And that's looking at it from the lakeside. And the Port Austin Kayak rentals are right next door to this. A lot of people that come up here go kayaking, come up to see Turnip Rock. You can only see it from the water. The food here is very good, and as we said, we like the vibe. So please share this so others can find out more about PAK'S Backyard Cafe and Beer Garden. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We feature a lot of trips on the back roads. If you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for an adventure, and we hope to see you on the back roads. Thanks for watching.